my name is Mendy and welcome to Mendy Cooks Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a special recipe from my grandmother and my childhood dish called stir-fry organic chicken with herbs. What is the difference from organic chicken and the normal chicken is the organic chicken is more crunchy and chewy and delicious. So I will let Napa walk you through all the ingredients and show you how to make this dish. Let's get started.
Hi guys, it is Napa here and I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to make the dish. First, I would like to show you what are the ingredients. The first one we have local chickens, then we have chili, garlic, lemongrass, galangal, turmeric, kaffir lime leaves, finger roots, dill, stir-frying oil, and basil leaves. And for the seasoning we have oyster sauce, fish sauce, sugar, and water.
Don't forget to ปักตะไคร้สับตะไคร้ Just kidding. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Alright, we will start with preparing the herbs by slicing lemongrass into smaller pieces. Once you're done, you can move on to slicing galangal into smaller pieces. And then slice the finger roots into smaller pieces. Once the finger root is done, you can move on to slicing the turmeric. Set it aside and slide the dill. Alright, after we finish preparing the ingredients, we're gonna make the stir-fried curry paste. To make the stir-fried curry paste, add roasted dried chili, then add galangal and finger roots. Then add lemongrass, once the lemongrass is roughly pounded, you can add garlic and turmeric. Pound all of the ingredients together into a rough paste. Then we are done with the paste. Let's cook the dish. To begin with, set a pan over medium heat and add cooking oil. Once the oil is heating up, you can add the curry paste and stir fry it for a minute or until it starts to fragrance. Add chicken and stir fry it again until the chicken is almost cooked. Then we're gonna season the dish by adding fish sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, stir fry until all of the ingredients are well mixed, and then add water. Now after we add water, we're gonna let the chicken simmer for about 10 minutes. Or until the water evaporated. Add kaffir lime leaves, dill, and basil leaves. And our stir-fried chicken with Thai herbs is done. Now we're gonna serve the dish.
I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like, please like and share to your friend. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Ring the bell so you don't miss the fun content. And I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!